Online course platforms and making money. So I'm going to narrate a blog that we created, and you can find the link of the blog in the description. And I'm going to go and narrate what we're talking about here as far as making money with an online course and what you need to know. So here is our blog here, and I'm going to start the narration. Online course platform, making money, simple as that. Starting off with an online course platform and making money is the first step to success as an entrepreneur. You need to know marketing, so let's explore these. Let's dive straight in at the deep end. Success with any online business comes down to 3 key points, regardless of whether it's an online course platform or a physical product. We will explore the key points and analyze the qualities of doing this. So entrepreneurs or business owners, pay attention as we will jump into what it takes for your business to be a success and not a flop in the ocean. Being an entrepreneur is highly rewarding. Looking for opportunities or seeking them out is commonplace for more experienced, and creating revenue streams is also key to building an empire. If you're a course creator, choosing the right platform is also key. We suggest that you check out Zenler, as it has all the features you could ever need. Maybe you're looking for a partner or affiliate scheme to promote. Again, sell our platform, you make a huge 40% commission on paid conversions. So the platform itself has opportunities built into it without you even starting to build your own membership or courses. So I want to talk about a successful online course platform. So the key points to your business and its success is belief in your product. It is consistency. This means consistency of you doing the work. Positivity in your success, believing in your product and your success, following through with strategies that you implement or that are given to you, not giving up and being authentic and honest. That belief in these 6 principles here will guide you to success. But I don't mention anything about the product. No, that's right, I do not, because it's not about the product, it's about you and your mental attitude 90% of the time. Put it this way, 90% of the time you spend on your product or course membership will be spent on marketing. That's a huge amount. So 10% of your time is actually spent on the product itself. So there's a huge amount of time goes towards the marketing side. And this is where most people fail, because most people do not promote a product for its full cycle. They'll do a few posts, get it out there, no traction happening in that course or that product, and they give up. And they're not really pushing that marketing, they're not being consistent with it, they're not following through with any strategies, they're giving up and moving on to the next product, thinking the next product will be successful for them. And the problem is that it's not about the product, it's about you pushing those 6 steps and pushing that forwards. And that's what this blog post talks about. So 100 hours on a product means 900 hours in marketing. It's that huge, it's huge. And I would say even more than that in some cases. It's an enormous amount of time, right? But this shows the importance of the attitude. Now don't be disillusioned. This is the initial launch, after which you can spend less time to maintain its exposure. So it's that first initial launch. When people start to talk about it, you start to get reviews, you get momentum happening, and then you don't have to spend as much time. But it's at that point that you can then think about another product or a product coming off the back of it, so you can sell it on to make the work easier. Now we're talking about startups now, we're talking about people that have just started. There's a huge amount of time investment. If you've already got a big database of users and there's already a lot of word of mouth and momentum, then it's absolutely fine. It kind of almost runs itself. You market obviously to get new people in, but you tend to find that word of mouth gets around and people come in naturally in any case. Okay, so we're talking about new people. So inside the blog, you can explore points like belief in your product, being consistent, positive spread energy, having a strategy, not giving up, being authentic and honest. Those 6 key pillar stones that we look at when we're trying to launch anything new. And if you're committed to these points, then in this blog, that's when you should carry on reading on, because we go into more detail about the strategy and all of these things and where you are. So I have a product, what now? So now we're going to look at some points. We got to identify your target audience. We got to test the student journey. We got to identify any pain points not covered. We got to set up templates, find where your audience hangs out, set up process for your campaigns, and of course market the product itself. Having a strategy is key, and each of those points we will go through with some case studies as well. So you need to look and read through this information. There's a lot of it here. You can also pick up a free PDF guide on marketing strategies. It will walk you through these steps and be a lot easier for you to use. So guys, grab that freebie now. Follow the link in the description. So we also have workshops based off the back of this. So if you are really interested in making a success of your product, course or membership, we have a lot of courses already built in the system, and we've put them in here. They're all free for you to use. So you can go in there and you can take the workshop on SEO for your content. Okay, we have a full stack workshop on marketing as well. You can take that, and we even have a YouTube challenge that will show you how to properly organize and do your channel for YouTube. And this is all part of this blog. So online course platform, making money, it's not, once you get into this stuff, it's not that hard. Yeah, you just got to remember those 6 points that were pointed out, and if you stick to those with anything you do, that follow through, that positive energy, you will be successful. There's no doubt about it, because you're pushing it through. Remember to market the full cycle of that product or that course or that membership, and then only move on once you've got that traction and momentum. Believe me, it's not about the product, it's about you and how you attack it and how consistent you are with your marketing approaches. Guys, this has been a vlog from us at Zenler. Check out the blog by visiting the link in the description.